well, as you can see, I've got a spot set up here for a fire, and right here between these blocks, and we're gonna roast Gary and Mel. Anyway, we're getting this fire cooking down here. Man, it's gonna be great. Let's get it. Well, it started raining. Put the fire out, and I would have recorded it, but I just didn't have time. So we're back here next day. We got a fire, and let's get to the roast. All right. The roasting Gary and Mel. Here we go. Anyway, like I was saying, I don't think anybody really likes being made fun of a whole lot, and I'm not interested in it either. So I'm going to consider this more of a symbolic roast. The two pieces of meat, they represent Gary and Mel. The signs in the back say Mel and Gary. I think the symbolism comes through the video. I hope it does. I hope it comes through to you, the intention here, which is to be symbolic. You know, a symbolic roasting. You know, roasting meat, grilling meat, frying meat, burning meat, whatever you want to call it. I don't think it's gonna burn. It might. That's what we're doing here. We're roasting Gary and Mel. Probably should have brought a spatula, but this was out here. We're gonna let that cook a spell. All right, we better check on the meat. Oh yeah, she's done. Done enough, done enough. All right, now I got me some Garamel sauce. That's Gary and Mel, Gary and Mel, Garamel sauce. So there you have it. We roasted Gary and Mel, and we put some Garamel sauce on it to go with it. Now that's a good roast. All right, Gary and Mel, hope you enjoyed this roast. And Simple Life Reclaimed, good channel, love watching it. And y'all keep up the good work. I hope you get your 20,000 subscribers.